octave leaps, okay? Don't be scared. These are just
Okay, trying to. Hi everyone, so as you might have seen it, or if you haven't, please go and check it out. Last time I went to the studio to record a song for the very first time, and it was such an eye-opening experience. No matter how hard you think being a singer is, multiply it by 10, and that's how I felt. I guess that's why people have to go to school, take voice lessons. They need to be trained to do it professionally. Even though I have no plans to become a singer in the future, I thought it might be a cool skill set to have. Today, I'm having my very first voice lesson, and helping me is the lovely Ani.
Hi guys, my name is Ani. I'm from the US. I'm a singer here in Vietnam, and we're going to be doing a voice lesson today. So, let's get started. Cool. How are you feeling?
Nervous?
A little bit nervous? Okay, that's normal. Relaxed, right? So, the first thing we want to do when we think about singing is to remember breathing. Is just relax. Just take 3 big breaths in and out, into your nose, out your mouth, as much air as possible. Ready? Alright, so. Sometimes to sing we have to do some weird exercises, but I want you to put your hands again on your ribs. Okay. And this time, let's maybe face each other this way, okay? And so when we lean like this, it forces us to engage this and breathe a little bit higher into our ribs. And we're going to stand up and then go out. There we go. Okay. Even more a little bit. All right, now breathe in. Okay, and then squeeze, and then go out. Good. Okay, so we take a breath and we're about to sing. You can contract this. All of this is relaxed. Your face is relaxed. And we're going to do a few ha's, like we're laughing. All right? Squeeze that muscle. And then you go. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, ha, ha. One more here, right? One here. Ha. Ha. Oh, better, better. Ha, 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 ha. Hold. And then we're going to go. So we're going to do a really simple warm-up. So let's first just get that one note together. And